it's Janine, and I'm living life with a twist. And it's been a while since I did a video. I had a lot going on in life. I started a new job, and I'm a cosmetologist, and so I had to get a few things adjusted. And now I'm back to filming. So I got home today from work. That's why I'm wearing this lovely black outfit, my Morticia Gomez or whatever. Look here, my messy chignon and black flowers. It's me. Yes, but actually today I wanted to talk to y'all about something I saw on Facebook, and it had to do with one of these things. And this is your, disposable bendy straw, and it was actually a tortoise that people had pulled out of the ocean and had been helping, because this sucker had been burrowed all the way into the tortoise's shell and body. Quite a bit, actually. Quite a bit was in the body, and it made me so sad. And I said, oh my goodness, I love straws, and I didn't want to think about contributing to everything that's happening to our oceans, but that's really what it is. And so I said, all right, self, you got to get on it. And that's exactly what I did. And I went and got these. And actually, I got them off Amazon. I'm going to put a link down there. But this video is not about affiliate links at all. This, or, trying to get y'all to buy something for whatever random reason. This is really about the environment and what we need to do better and take care of us, the wildlife, the earth, all of it. So these are stainless steel straws. They come with several to a pack. Let's see, I have 7, I believe. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, there's 8 to a pack. And 2 of these brushes right here. So when you get them, you obviously give it a good clean out with some dishwater or dish soap. And then you put them and use them. I wouldn't just take them out of the package and use them. I would clean them, because they do have kind of a strange little taste if you do that. So I guess you could tell what I did. But point is, these are excellent. They are reusable. They are recyclable if you wanted to get rid of them. And more importantly, they're going to help in some small way your part of the world, my part of the world, what the most of the world is, which is covered in water. So y'all do your part and I'll do mine, and I'm gonna, I love it. And the other thing is, I love really cold water. So this, because of the ice, gets really freaking cold. Oh, and I love it. Absolutely. So once again, y'all, it's actually from a company, Yihong stainless steel straws, made in China, and sold at Yihong Life at Amazon. And like I said, we're going to put the link up there. And I just wanted to do that, let y'all know, and go out there and do your part. It's something small. And y'all be blessed. Keep living life with a twist. And if you like this video or any of our other videos, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I'll see y'all later. Be blessed.